Hello, this is Marvin Byer at Marble Ridge Farms. This weather today, it's going to be interesting. We're supposed to get 4 to 8 inches of snow, and then it's going to get super cold. And we haven't had really that much snow all year yet, or all winter. Today is February 12th, and I had a few fodder bales, corn stalks bales. I put them here for bedding for my animals. I had a few from leftover from last year, and I was going what should I do with it? Well, I have a ditch here, a little ravine, and this was all corn soybeans, and they had pretty much made a ditch here. So what I did is put the fodder bale right down in the middle, and yesterday and see what was going to happen, and the cattle really and sheep really hopefully fix this ravine and make water slow down here and spread out instead of go in the ground, instead run down in the valley here. So it still looks like the cattle sheep had a little fun making this little fodder bale down the hill a little bit here. That was my plan, is kind of fix this. I got a couple more fodder bales. I'll probably do that with put maybe one pretty close to the fence up there, and maybe put one here. So I hope it works out pretty well. Then I also gave him a hay bale yesterday. And I didn't really unroll it that much because we're supposed to get snow, and I didn't want to cover up the hay, so I just kind of let it roll down a little bit so the animals could eat right away. And started up there and kind of just roll down here a little bit. And doesn't look too bad. I started up here, as the other bale I was thinking. So I only went a couple feet, 3-4 feet, so all my animals could eat. And it looks like they're doing a pretty good number on this bale. This is second crop bale. They definitely like the second crop better than the first crop that we had. First crop was a little bit more mature, but this is a finer stem. They just love this stuff. I know there's some clover in here. Some of my second crop hay had Reese canary grass, and it was a little bit longer. And they'll eat it, but they don't eat it quite as fast as this bale, the finer stem bales. And it looks like it's starting to snow a little bit already. Calves are growing like crazy. It's amazing how fast these calves grow. And these are South Poles. I have Katahdin sheep. Here's a bull calf. Calves here are all AI. Here's my other heifer calf. He got some little milk mustache. She has a little milk mustache on her. Here's Hazel. those animals, protecting them. She loves her sheep and cattle and calves. Here's Duke. Hi, Duke. He loves doing the same thing. She's a Great Pyrenees and he's a Miramah. But cattle are definitely enjoying this round bale. I'll probably give them another round bale. What's today? Wednesday, February 12th, right? Give another round bale probably tomorrow after the snow. Because I don't know how much this will get covered up. They'll probably eat this pretty good. My cattle and sheep are pretty good at digging through the snow and eating all the hay. Here's our Katahdin sheep. Yeah, after the snowfall, it's going to be a little bit harder of where to put the bales at. So I'm kind of looking over the area. Like I set a bale here and a few bales there. So I got to try not to overlap bales. I mean, it's not a bad thing to overlap bales when you bale graze or unroll bale graze. Here's the last bale that I fed was here. They pretty much, I'd say 80% of the bale. This is probably just the hay that they care for, but get a little rain on or snow and help wash it off some. They'll come back and eat more of this. But look at all the manure pads. The sheep pellets, I call it. There's a few spots over here I can put a few bales. Not too much left. I think I have enough hay to cover all this up. I mean, some of this hay is really thin, like here. And this is a little bit thicker here. Like over here, I don't have much hay here, so I'll probably put a bale here. When you get closer to this fence, you gotta be careful that it doesn't roll over the fence. I had to move this fence back here because it rolled it over. But now with this ground so frozen, we had a little thaw so I could move it a little bit. It's gonna be hard to move this fence if it rolls over here. I'm still going to try to put a bale and a few other spots on this side of the fence, but I kind of want to leave this patch here go and kind of see the difference between having bale graze, unrolling hay, and just leaving it be like this. See if it makes a difference. I bet it will. Looks like the winds come out of the northeast. Usually my area, when the wind comes northeast, it's unpredictable weather. We usually get the most snow when it comes out of the northeast. We'll find out. So yeah, I'm just kind of walking around, see how it looks before we get a lot of snow. Well, 4 to 8 inches, so it's going to be hard to tell how much snow where I fed hay. I fed hay a lot up here on top of the hill. You kind of just roll down. Here's another fodder bale I put here. They definitely like, I noticed with these fodder bales, when you put this down, just like hay, it really makes some really dark organic soil. Sometimes fodder bales might take a year longer than hay, but not all the time. But definitely can tell the difference when you put a hay compared to a fodder bale. I'm going to be taking soil samples this year, hopefully. I've been saying that for a couple years. I just gotta take them. I wish I took a soil sample before I put all this hay down, but I'll maybe take the bare spots and do that. Well, I hope everybody has a good day, and if you like these videos, like, subscribe, comment, and stay warm. Talk to you later. I gotta get my glove off because his hand was kind of freezing. Have a good one.